Today we got ramen from Ajisan. Now I never had ramen before. I don't know what to expect. I got their karagi ramen. It comes with crispy chicken, Japanese fried chicken on the side. Hold up. Ramen's kind of hitting. No, this is fire. First time trying ramen, I'm not disappointed. This miso broth is really creamy and rich. Let's try the chicken by itself. Just a regular fried chicken. I wish I had right now. Some chung chungs will go crazy with this. Hold up. I had to step over the chung chungs real quick. I got their whole mozzarella, beef and chicken wrapped in cheddar. Try out the mozzarella first. Come on, I'm here with you, bro. Worth the trip. Try it with some of that sweet chili. Oh, that's good. Oh, my chest. Oh, beef and chicken. Might have been on to something with this one. 8 out of 10.